Hello guys, so we are back at it again with another video. This is your boy Jake, aka Unbox King, and today we are gonna rip some NFL boxes, some Prestige 2020 boxes. I know this is new on my channel. I just started collecting sports cards, just trying to get into the hobby. And before I start, I'm not really familiar with the things that I should look for when it comes to these boxes. So the purpose of this video is for you guys to see the product. So it's basically like a product review of the Prestige 2020 NFL cards from Panini. So I have the pack right here. It's the 30 card value pack, and then I have the blaster box. It comes with 64 cards, one auto guaranteed right there on average, I guess. And then there's the mega box. So these guys are selling like really hot right now, the Prestige the mega boxes, because from what I'm hearing, they only released in retail version, so there are no hobby box on this one. So I'm not really sure, but yeah, write a comment down below if I made an error on that. But yeah, so 2 autos on this box, so really amazing. I'm pretty excited on what we could get here. I just started my collection, and I'm hoping to get my autos, the heaters that I really wanted. So I'm really excited. I'm hoping for some Boros or some Tua. A lot of people are looking for those cards, so yeah, definitely one for the banger, right? All right, so let's just start off with the small one first. This is the value pack. So it comes with 30 cards inside. So let me know, guys. I'm also a beginner. Let me know in the comments down below if I hit like a huge card. So not really sure what I'm getting into, but I'm just sharing this to you guys. So it's really fun, like watching like box rips and all that. I'm really getting into a habit of it now on watching it. So yeah, let's start our own. So first off, we got this guy, Khalil Mack, Tony Pollard, Bradley Chubb, Jason Peters, Mike Evans, Matt Breida, Roquan Smith, T.Y. Hilton, Josh Allen, Albert Wilson, Cameron Hayward, Stephon Gilmore. I think, oh nope, that's not a different one. Eric Kendricks, Gus Edwards, Ty Montgomery. So it says here that I should look for the extra points, like the green parallels, huh? Okay. Sony Michel. Okay. Corey Davis, Aaron Donald, Leonard Fournette, Tre'Quan Smith, and we got our first green parallel, LaMichael Perrin. That's the rookie out of New York Jets. All right, and then we got Jalen Hurts, extra points, and in an insert inside the numbers, Austin Ekeler. All right, put that on the side. And Prestigious Pros, Julian Edelman. And then we got a really nice card right here, Josh Jacobs from the Raiders. All right, put that over there. On a roll. What? These cards are pretty nice. Shaquille Barrett. Okay, I like that. I like those cards. So we got rookies, Antoine Winfield, Delton Keene, LaMichael Perrine. So I got the extra points on that one. So got 2, Jalen Hurts and the Kid Reporter. All right. So I'm gonna sleeve these up later on, but those are pretty nice cards, I say. So I'm just separating like the inserts and then the rookies, because apparently the rookies, they are pretty valuable, right? So let's jump to this one. It has 1 autograph. So yeah, start this one. Pretty excited for my first auto, you know. I have never had any auto, because the first collection is a basketball card that I bought, which is a mosaic. They don't have autos in there. So this comes with 8 packs and 8 cards per pack. So I should be expecting 1 autograph or 1 memorabilia card on it. All right. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty. I am not really sure how people are like doing like the box breaks or whatnot, the team breaks. I don't know. You guys educate me. But yeah. So we got Young Ho Koo, Keenan Allen, Tariq Cohen, Duke Johnson Jr., Derek Carr, Adam Thielen, and we got extra points again. Miles Sanders and Miles Sanders, that's it. Extra points. So I'm gonna put all those parallels in there, and the rookie card right here. Okay, I like the style so far of the cards, like the way they look. I mean, this is like my very first one, so. But I've seen like the scorecards before. Those are pretty dope too. I like them. A lot of people don't like those cards. So Marlon Mack, Keanu Neal, Kyler Murray, Mark Ingram, Le'Veon Bell, Griffin, and we got an insert powerhouse, Shaquille Barrett. So I got that one earlier. Yeah, I got him over there. And then Marlon Davidson. So no Jeff Burrow yet, or the other guy too. I'm hoping that that's like my first auto. Please be a Jeff Burrow auto. I would love that. Nick Bosa right here. Very nice card. Kenny Moore, John Brown, Curtis Samuel, Jordan Akins, Max Crosby. We got an insert. Prestigious Pros, Khalil Mack. All right. Nice card, right? And extra points. Jedrick Wills. Yes, sir. Purchase all tracks. I hope you guys are liking it so far. Help me out if I hit, like bangers, just comment down below. Denzel Ward. Or if you guys want to purchase any of these cards right here, let me know. Comment down below. Daniel Jones, Giants. Jamal Adams, Alvin Kamara. We got a London Games Jared Goff insert. I like that one. And this guy, rookie card, AJ Epinesa. Is this where the banger is? Come on, let's go. Austin Eckler, I got that one earlier too. Riley Ridley, Phillip Rivers. Purchase your tracks today. Aaron Jones, Lamar Miller, Darren Waller, and honor. Oh, wow! Honor roll right here. Patrick Mahomes. Got one. And we got Brian Edwards. Wow. That card is nice. That card is nice. Alright. Let's continue on. That card was nice. Really good. Really nice card. So you can see I'm having a hard time opening them. Not really a card guy, but I'm trying. DeMonte. Oh, I think the signature is in here. I can feel it. Christian Kirk, Raheem Mostert, Kyle Rudolph. I think the card is coming up, so I'm gonna put that in the back, right? So inside the numbers, we got Lamar Jackson insert. We got rookie card Chase Claypool, and we got the reporter Marquise Brown. All right, so here's our first auto for our NFL collection. We got Leonard Fournette. Oh, it's actually a memorabilia. Okay. Okay. Running back. Off the NFL. All right. So that's the first heater that we got. Very first one. So let me set that aside. How do you guys like the product so far? You know, like, I think it's kind of not sure, but I like it, but it's not that, you know, it's not that exciting. Clayton Getters, Ed Oliver, Preston Williams. Let's get some heaters, guys. Jamison Crowder, Chris Carson, Will Greer, extra points, Bobby Wagner, and Isaiah Simmons. All right, down to our last pack for this one. All right. Oh, so we got a nice card right here. Odell Beckham. I'm gonna save that there on top. Julio Jones. Chenna Nwosu. Yeah, that guy. Seth Roberts. Avery Williamson. Drew Brees. Like that card. Prestigious Pros. Aaron Donald. Tua. Okay. Here we go. We got Tua right here. Not an extra points card, but I'm gonna put that over there. And we are here in our mega box. So let's start opening it. So this box actually is like, it's pretty hype right now. A lot of people are wanting this this box. So yep. So this one is 10 cards. 10 cards per pack, and there is only 4 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're hoping these are really good cards right here, knowing that the odds are bigger because they only gave us like 4 packs. Kenyon Drake, Nick Mullins, Derek Carr, that guy, Mark Ingram, extra points, Tyrod Taylor, and that is 67 out of 100. Nice, nice, nice card. London Worldwide, Christian McCaffrey. Yes, sir. Then we got a rookie card, Mackie Becton, and Adam Trotman, and Kenneth Murray. Nice, right? Rookie cards. Come on. And I also heard that there are like what do you call this? The plates here. Not really sure. I saw it on the other videos, like the printing plates. So they include it with these ones, so that's why they love it so much. Oh, this one is flipped off. Okay, okay, I saw that card. Jalen Smith. Drew Lock. Wow, nice card. Deshaun Jackson. We got Tyler McLaurin. We got Duke Johnson Jr. And we got a Donovan Peoples-Jones. 7 out of 50, guys. Nice. 7 out of 50, if you can see that. Very nice card. And we got this guy, Impressions. Zadarius Smith, Packers. You got a little scratch right there. Come on, Panini. What's going on, man? Josh Uche, rookie. Darrington Evans, rookie. Nate Stanley, rookie. All right. So our rookie should be in here. I mean, the auto should be on both of these. Or yeah. So we got Tyreek Hill, Joe Mixon. They told us that there's 2 autos, supposedly. Chris Godwin, Le'Veon Bell, Shaquem Griffin, and we got our auto. I'll just put that in the back right now. So we got Tony Gonzalez. Nice. CJ Henderson, rookie. Justin Herbert, rookie. That Justin Herbert? Yeah. Nice. Cam Akers. And we got here. We got Shaquem Griffin. And our first auto. Oh, I'll flip it. First auto, guys. Come on. AJ Terrell from Falcons. Ooh, 6 out of 25, guys. AJ Terrell. Nice. Nice card. Put that there. Let me know, guys, if you guys are interested in any of these cards right here. Let me know. So I got that AJ Terrell, 6 out of 25. Sheesh. I got another one right there in the pile, but that's not a really hot player, so I'm not putting it there. Doesn't deserve that, right? Just kidding. Alright, so Devin White, Dante Pettis, Sammy Watkins, we got Devontae Adams, Binka Fitzpatrick. Oh, we got her signature there. I'm gonna put it here. Ooh, on a roll again. Calais Campbell. Nice. Like that. I like these cards. So we got Devin Duvernay, rookie. Ross Blacklock. I've been seeing this card a lot. Like the videos that I've watched, all I've seen is him as a rookie card. That is a very common card. Okay. So we're down to our last card, and come on, be a Jeff Burrow or something, or Tua. 271. That is linebacker Kenneth Murray. Not bad. Not bad. 6 out of 25, guys. Nice. Kenneth Murray. Nice card. We did it for the last card. Last card, huh? fix them nice and neat. So these are the ones I got right now. Let's do a little recap on, you know, the things that I like about this packs. So this one, Bryce Campbell, yeah, pretty nice cards. I've been hitting those like 7 out of 50. Tyrod Taylor, look at those cards are nice. Even this one, Tua. Eventually I will put them on the, you know, on the sleeves, but I'm just taking a look at them right now. Wow, that Patrick Mahomes right there on a roll, right? I kind of mixed in the the inserts on it, but it's all good. I'll fix it later. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching the whole video. Leave the comments down below what you guys think about the video, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I enjoyed it as you guys are. Let me know if you guys want to purchase anything from this collection right now. You know, just message or comment on my account, and I'll post my Instagram right here where you can contact me also regarding these cards. But nice collection. My review, I would definitely recommend the brand, the Prestige, the series. It's pretty awesome. I like it, especially the Mega Box. If you can afford the Mega Box, I mean, a lot of people are reselling them right now. If you can afford it, then buy it, because it's way better than those packs. So yep. All right, you guys, thank you so much, and be safe, guys. To our next videos, I'm gonna be unboxing, you know, different kind of you know, like packs again, or sports cards. So yeah, thank you so much, guys.